We're going to unbox the Haylou W1 True Wireless Earbuds. It offers premium sound quality. It has got the Novus driver. So what is Novus? It is a leading manufacturer of balanced armature drivers. Basically, offer improved fidelity, realism and detail over traditional dynamic drivers. They are incredibly small and lightweight and provide greater output with less power. It also has got the Qualcomm aptX adaptive. And this is good because it offers a dynamic low latency mode. It is great for gamers. It has an adaptive bitrate. So the bitrate adjusts to provide seamless glitch-free audio no matter where you are. And of course, with any earphones, we want HD quality audio, and the Qualcomm adaptive does offer you that through the high-resolution Bluetooth wireless audio. It has got the latest Bluetooth 5.2. It offers a 20-hour battery life. Has got smart touch control, and it has got a 4 mic for clear calls. So let's unbox this and check it out. So once you open up the box, you will see the earphones, and this should be the charging case. Let's take this out. And let's see what else we have in the box. So this should be the startup guide. And this is a Type-C USB cable. And here are some spare ear tips for the earbuds. So these are the items that we have in box. So let's take a look at the earphones as well as the charging case itself. Let's start with the charging case. It's got a very nice Haylou brand imprinted with the logo on the charging case itself. And I believe this should be magnetic, and look, it's got a LED indicator that is for the battery level of the charging case. And at the back, of course, you've got the USB-C port where you can charge the charging case. So let's place the earbuds into the charging case. This is the right one, and that's for the left. So it fits in pretty nicely. Let's take it out. Next, let's take a look at the earbuds itself. So there's a very faint R indicator over here indicating that this is a right earbud. Similarly for the left earbud itself, there is a L edge on the earbud. Quite solid build. And these are the charging contacts. Over here you've got the LED. You've got the LED, and it comes with two microphones, one at the top and one at the bottom. And this is the MFB, or the multifunction button, where you can tap for various functions on the earbud. Next, we're going to show you how to connect this pair of earbuds to the Android phone. So to connect the Haylou W1 earbuds to our Android phone, let's open the charging case. This will turn on the earbuds. And on our mobile phone, we swipe down and go to Bluetooth. It has found our Haylou W1 earbuds. Select that and it is pairing. So there's a Bluetooth pairing request. Simply select pair and you are done. Let's take a look at the Bluetooth. You can see that the Haylou W1 earbuds are now connected with a 80% battery remaining. Very simple to pair the earbuds. Next, we're going to show you how to use the earbuds with its various functions. Let's take it out of the case. We have just taken it out of the charging case, and one of the functions for these earbuds is that you can power it off once it's out of the charging case. To do that, press on the MFB or the multi-function button for 4.5 seconds. You can see that the LED will turn red and go off. Now on the left earbud, it is also powered off. So in order to power it on, you press on the MFB for 1.5 seconds. You can see that the LED will turn white and start blinking, and it is now powered on. You need to do the same for the right earbuds as well. To turn it on, press and hold on the MFB for 1.5 seconds. So now both earbuds are powered on. Next, we're going to show you how to do some playback using your earbuds itself. So on the right earbud, you can tap to play the song. Tap once. You can see that the song has started playing. To skip to the next song, simply tap on the right earbud twice. So now it has skipped to the next song. And then on the left earbud, if I tap twice, it will go back to the first song. So next, we'll show you how to answer calls. Answering calls is simply by tapping on the MFB button once. So there's an incoming call, and to answer, we tap on it once. To end the call, we tap on the button once. And so this is how you use the Haylou W1 earbuds. We have just shown you the unboxing, the contents of the inbox, how to pair your earbuds to your Android phone, and the basic functions of playback, skip forward, skip backward, and answering calls.